Services. Clock Evolution supports two types of services, basic and extra. Basic services are combinations of all available boards, room types and occupancy types. They are posted automatically on check-in with the price set for them in the respective rate. Basic services are auto-created and cannot be modified. Extra services are all other services offered by the hotel. They can be posted by the rate or manually. If necessary, you can change the name, the group, and/or the price of a service. A service can only be deleted if it has never been used. Each service belongs to a revenue category and subcategory. It is required property for the correct calculation of the revenue reports. The system uses the categories of the Uniform System of Accounting for the Lodging Industry. This allows issuing internationally standardized revenue reports. The main categories, room, food and beverage, other operated departments, and rentals and other income, are fixed. The subcategories can be customized by adding new subcategories or adding sublevels to them, so that they meet the requirements of each organization. By default, all basic services belong to category rooms and subcategory market segment. This means that the subcategory of an extra service will be defined by the market segment selected in the booking: contract, group, individual, etc. Thus, an extra service can be included in different subcategories depending on the booking. The category of a basic service should not be changed. If you need a different analysis of the revenue, define new subcategories. The market segment of the booking will be ignored. The list of services can be translated and used for invoices in different languages. To set services, a user needs to have the services, additional packages, boards right granted. To create a service, click the Edit link. Click button New. Start with section Main Details. Name. Enter a name for the new service. Group. Select a group for the new service. All services must belong to a group and they can only belong to one group. Type. Services can be one of three different types: extra, commission, or meal board. Services of type extra bring income to the hotel. Services of type commissions are expenses. By default, all new services are set as type extra. Services type commissions are only used in the owner management module. Type meal board is described separately. Extra details. If this option is checked, every time the service is posted, the system asks for extra information or a note. Archive. If this option is checked, the service is archived and not be used. Revenue category and revenue subcategory. These two fields define the category and subcategory of a service. They are essential to the correct calculation of the revenue reports. To add a new category, type its name into the field. Lower levels of subcategories are defined with a / after the category. Accounting group. The field is only completed if evolution is used with an accounting application. Its value depends on the specifics of the communicated data. External code. The code is used in cases when the system communicates with an external application. Enter a code or let the system generate a unique external code. Uses rate price. Check the option if you want the service to be posted with the price set for it in the extra service rate. Thus, a service can be sold at different prices in different seasons. For a fixed price, enter the desired amount in field price. Manual price allowed. Check the option to allow setting the price manually on posting. Price. If the price of the service is not defined by the rate, it is specified here. Move on to the settings in section Visualization in Vouchers. These settings only affect services which are auto-posted in the night package. They specify the services to be displayed in the screens and reports for all cases when the service is used. Different requirements for specific agents are defined in the exceptions field in its profile. Visualization in Vouchers. This option defines how the service is included in the voucher, as a separate row at the end of the invoice, added to the basic service, as a separate row in the main voucher, etc. Exceptions. The field is auto-filled with information from the profile of the agent with special requirements. Text to the basic service. The field is active for services which are added to the basic service. Enter extra information or a note that will be displayed when the service is posted. To confirm the settings of the service, click Save. To translate the services, click link Translate. If the desired language is not registered in the system, click New Language. Language code. Enter the code the system will use to identify the language by or select one from the drop-down menu. ANSI code page. Select the code page of the new language. Here are the code pages of some languages. 1250 East European Latin, including Romanian and Croatian. 1251 Cyrillic, including Bulgarian and Russian. 1252 West European Latin. 1253 Greek. 1254 Turkish. 1255 Hebrew. 1256 Arabic. 1257 Baltic. Save. With this, the language has been registered and is displayed as a separate column in the translation module. Enter the translation of the desired service in the respective column. Click Save to save the changes.